Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Subscribe CoinZF. And today, I want you to slow down for a moment, because what I'm about to share with you might completely change the way you look at the smallest coin in your pocket. I'm not talking about gold. I'm not talking about silver. I'm talking about a simple 1-cent coin, the 2004 Lincoln Memorial Penny, a coin that millions of people have seen, touched, and ignored without ever realizing what it could truly be worth. Now think about this carefully. How many times in your life have you received a penny in change, maybe at a store, maybe at a gas station, maybe from an old jar sitting in your house? And what did you do with it? You probably didn't even look at it. Maybe you dropped it somewhere. Maybe you gave it away. Maybe it's still lying in a drawer collecting dust, because in your mind, a penny is just a penny. But what if I told you that one of those ordinary-looking coins, the same 2004 Lincoln Memorial Penny, could actually be worth thousands of dollars? Not because it's made of gold, not because it's ancient, but because of something far more interesting, something most people never even notice. Let me take you into a real situation. Imagine an older man, someone just like many of you watching, maybe retired, maybe going through old belongings. One quiet afternoon, he opens a small box filled with coins he had saved over the years. Nothing special, just coins collected without any real purpose. And as he slowly goes through them one by one, he notices something slightly different about one penny. It doesn't jump out immediately. It doesn't shine like treasure, but something feels off. Maybe the design looks a little unusual. Maybe the surface doesn't look quite right. And instead of ignoring it, he decides to take a closer look. That one decision, that one moment of curiosity leads to something unexpected. Because here's the truth. The 2004 Lincoln Memorial Penny was produced in huge numbers, billions of them. And when coins are made in such massive quantities, mistakes happen, small errors, tiny differences, things that are easy to miss. But those small differences are exactly what collectors are searching for. You see, in the world of coin collecting, perfection is common, but imperfection, that is where the real value hides. Some 2004 pennies were struck with errors, not all, but enough to create rare variations, and these variations can turn an ordinary coin into something collectors are willing to pay serious money for. Now, I want you to imagine holding a penny in your hand. Look at the face of Abraham Lincoln. Look at the words, the date, the edges. At first glance, everything looks normal, but when you slow down, when you really observe, you might start to notice things that others miss. Maybe the design is slightly off-center. Maybe the letters look thicker or thinner than usual. Maybe there are unusual marks that are not scratches, but part of the minting process. These are not accidents in the way most people think. These are mint errors. And in the collector's world, errors can mean rarity, and rarity means value. Here's something most people don't understand. The value of a coin is not decided by its face value. It's decided by how rare it is, how unique it is, and how badly someone wants it. There are collectors out there right now, serious buyers, people who spend hours, days, even years searching for specific coins. They go through rolls of pennies from banks. They examine each coin carefully because they know something most people don't. They know that hidden among thousands of ordinary coins, there could be one extraordinary piece. And that piece could change everything. Now let's talk about condition, because this is where many people lose opportunity without even realizing it. Two coins can be exactly the same in design, same year, same type, but their condition can make a massive difference in value. A coin that is worn out, scratch, faded will always be less valuable, but a coin that looks almost untouched, clean, sharp, with strong details, that is the kind of coin collectors dream about. Think of it like this. Would you rather buy something old and damaged, or something that looks almost brand new, even if it's from the same year? The answer is obvious, and the same rule applies to coins. Now, go back to that 2004 penny. Imagine finding one that looks like it just came out of the mint. No major scratches, clear details, strong shine. Already that coin has more potential than most. But if that same coin also has a rare error, something unusual, something that makes it different from the billions of others, now you are no longer holding just a coin, you are holding a collectible. And here's the part that makes this so powerful. These coins are not locked away in museums. They're not hidden behind glass cases. Many of them are still out there in everyday circulation, passing from hand to hand, completely unnoticed. That means the opportunity is real. It's not something far away. It's something that could be sitting in your home right now. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly looked at a coin? Not just a quick glance, but a careful inspection, noticing every detail. Most people never do that, and that is exactly why valuable coins continue to go unnoticed. People are always searching for big opportunities, big investments, complicated ways to make money, but sometimes the simplest opportunities are right in front of us, small, quiet, and easy to ignore. The 2004 Lincoln Memorial Penny is one of those opportunities. It doesn't demand attention, it doesn't look special, but for those who take the time to understand it, it can become something much more. Now, imagine the feeling. You find a coin, you take a closer look, you notice something unusual, you do a little research, and suddenly you realize this coin is not ordinary, it's rare. That moment, that realization, it's something most people never experience because they never take the time to look. And once you experience it, once you discover value where others see nothing, your entire perspective changes. You start paying attention, you start observing, you start understanding that value is not always obvious. Sometimes it hides in the smallest details. And that brings us to the most important part of this entire story. Because while most 2004 Lincoln Memorial pennies are worth exactly 1 cent, there are rare examples, coins with the right condition, the right era, the right uniqueness that have reached incredible values. Not $10, not $100, but thousands. And in some cases, under the right circumstances, a 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny has been valued as high as $20,111. Yes, a single penny, $20,111. And the most unbelievable part, it could still be out there waiting, unnoticed, unrecognized, maybe even in your own home. So the next time you come across a penny, don't ignore it, don't rush, take a moment, look at it carefully, because sometimes the smallest things carry the greatest value. And if you want to keep discovering hidden coins like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because the next coin you check might just be the one that changes everything.